big hello and welcome to all the Planner Mums, Glam Mums and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So today I have my Paper Shy haul. These are my 3 hauls for the month of January, for February and March that I've had. I have still 2 more on the way, which I will post again when I have them together. So I always wait for the hauls because they're not such big ones, they are small ones, and I've won twice credit from the shop as well, which is like £10 and £15, and also she had a Mother's Day giveaway. I'm telling you, Zenny from Paper Shy, she's one of the most generous shop owners I have ever met. She gives lots of freebies for whatever you buy from her shop. She always has a Facebook code, so if you have not gone and followed her in Instagram and Facebook, I urge you to join the group and join that. All you need to mention, if you've joined the group, first you join the group, in the comments just put Facebook freebie, and she has one Facebook freebie and the freebies are as big as the normal stickers, and then she always has some giveaway and all. You always have a chance. So I've won like almost 50 pounds from the time I have joined. I've found Paper Shy. I have a very huge haul, my first haul from her. Do watch it, and the shipping is less, like £2, and it comes to me within 20 days. I receive my orders. I'm so amazed, and they are not lost with God's grace, knock on wood. I'm so happy to have found this shop, and the generosity of the women is really, cheers to her, because the more you give, it comes from her heart, so it reaches each one of us, and her stickers are so adorable. So let me not ramble anymore, let me just begin. So this is the first order that I made. I think this was during the Valentine. Sorry, this is a little bit like this. It came in perfect condition, trust me. We were moving house and I was not allowed to use this because I wanted to keep it and show it to you guys. So this is how it comes, and look at the penmanship. To Swati, thank you so much for choosing Paper Shy Stationery. Your orders help support our family and keeps us living our dream. We hope this happy meal brightens your day, and have an amazing day. Enjoy your goodies. Thank you, love, Zen. And this is the beautiful vanilla, and memories stay forever. So this is the Valentine journaling card, and then she also gives this small journaling card, love yourself, like a postcard. You can send it to any of your friends, or you can just hoard it like me, keep it with forever. And then this is my favorite freebie. I like Holly and Maricel, so I've been using Maricel for a long time now. I will start using Holly. These are 2 of my favorite. You can use their codes Holly10 or Maricel10 and get 10% discount to your order as well. This was, I think, during Facebook time. She had like 15% if I remember. So this is how it looks like. I love all Maricels and Hollies also. I have the freebie. I think in the next order it would be coming, or the next future ones that I'm going to make. So this is all these pillows, the card, planning card, YouTube, and all of these. This was the February exclusive, Facebook exclusive freebie. See how pretty. And this was the playtime with the baby. You could choose whether it's a boy or a girl. So of course mine is baby Swadhinta, baby, yes. So they are playing with the car. They are playing some puzzle game. So to mark in my memory planner the planning time, and quite many, not like 3 stickers are there. These are nanas. There are so many of them. Yeah, value for money. And this is the mom life. Yeah, and reading to your baby. This has mixed gender. Yeah, and playing with it, but it's okay. Maybe looks like, doesn't matter. You can just put it mom life, reading, playing, so on. This is that time. I really wanted something, because sometime my daughter spends with her father when I'm going walking and all. So it's sometime to mark that, and my husband was so happy when he saw this sticker. So I have some of him also being marked. So reading, playing. Reading they mostly never do. Playing definitely. Yeah. So this is the dad time. This is the family time. God bless. This is 3 of us. Yeah. Family time. Yeah, look here, with the baby girl. I got 3 of the family time. And again, I forgot to show, this is £15 above a free order. This is, I think I had another 15 pound with me or something. So we got this all order. This is for all orders. I got these functional ones, and then this was 15 pounds above order. You get all of these freebies. This is like a iPad writing, computer, desktop, some wallet, and so on. So this was the first bunch. Now this is the second bunch. This was I think in the month of, again the same, different card, a similar card, memories stay forever, and this has this Easter time, so maybe this was March comes. So this is healthy eating, because since we want to eat healthy, so this is a good way, because nowadays we are having a lot of smoothies. I always give my husband when he comes from work some spinach and all, or some beetroot. So this is the smoothie for that. Maricel's freebie, this was March. Yeah, we are only on April 10th today, so you can imagine it was very fast. Again, Maricel's freebie. And so when I put Maricel, I put Holly's code. When I'll put Holly, I'll put Maricel's code. So something like that, because I want to support both of theirs. I like their freebies, and Holly has a very good YouTube channel also. And I'll put it in the comments, yeah, so you can watch that also. There's another YouTuber from K-Fan, anything I forget, Gwen her name is, amazing YouTuber. She is the one who got me hooked on to, like, you know, TCMC, and I love her videos also. She has a very good Papershire video also, so if you guys like to watch, amazing. Gwen, and then is Plan with Nessa. These three are one of my Holly, Plan with Nessa, and Gwen. These three, I really enjoy their videos a lot, so I would like to share with you and give a big shout out to them. And if you like to cook, my best friend Easy Peasy Delicacy has amazing food channel. Do check it out. And if you want to try some authentic Indian food, like mouth watering, you got to check her channel as well. I will leave in the comments. And also another very good friend of mine, her name is Somme. She lives in the UK. She has amazing makeup skills, and she has a channel as well, so I'll leave that in the link below as well. So let's continue. So March freebie. Yeah, but honestly, anybody who posts on YouTube, give them a like, give them a comment. Not only me, if you like the videos, they really take time, so do that. It makes their day, and it's free for you guys, you know. And being kind is the most easiest thing we all can do for each other. So all orders are, this is another one, yeah. And then this was another 15-pound one with the burger, some, I think, wrap, some kind of a wrap, and then the sandwich, the egg on toast, burger again. This is the 30 pounds freebie with all of these flat lays with the whole bread scene. This was the 45 pounds freebie. Again, this is the one where I got the 15-pound off as well. So I had, though it's 45 pound, I paid like 30 pounds. So that's the reason. This is the ketchup, the milk, the strawberry milk, you can put it. Yeah, the coffee, the ketchup, and the mayo. I love garlic mayo, Heinz. And this is this Yoplait. This is this healthy drink which tastes so not good, but it's very good for your gut. Yeah, this is, and this is when I thought the lockdown will not start here, because we moved into a very nice apartment with the amenities. But unfortunately, we had swimming pool in the previous one also, but this apartment has like 3 pools. But unfortunately, because of lockdown, cannot do it. I wanted to start swimming this summer, because that would really help me reach my weight goals. However, see, the Nana swimming is amazing. No worries, I have faith, it will happen. See, I love her praying icons. I always buy these sheets, because prayer is the most important thing in my life that keeps me sane other than planning. And I love these. I just want Zenny, just a request, if you're watching, just this sheet, just the praying sheet instead of the candle one, just this one as well, I would definitely buy. But I love the candle ones as well. Now this is something Zenny, she asked in the Facebook group to people to give feedback for all the pop culture or all the TV series that you guys watch and we watch. So I had definitely, I love watching. That's something that is always running on the side when I'm playing with my daughter, or of course her school time. We are focused on totally on her school homeschooling, but other times I'm watching this planning time. I watch these shows. So this is The Witcher. Past season 1 was amazing. Now they're waiting for the season 2. Gilmore Girls, this is something I already watched. Now the second time when my daughter grows up, I'm going to watch with her, look at both Lorelai's. Rory and Lorelai. I love it. Richard is this. Yeah, where is Luke? I think Luke is not made, but yeah, it is simply amazing. This is the friend, no? Forgot her name. But yeah, Gilmore Girls, Friends, one of my favorite series of all time. You just want to laugh something, you just put on some Friends episode and you will just laugh like crazy. My husband loves Friends also, and he's not much into TV series or anything, especially the English one. So this is super. Yeah. And then this is Bridgerton. If you guys if you've been following me, you know how crazy I am all about it. Yeah. Simon and Daphne, Lady Whistledown. This is this other lady, I forgot her name. The Mariam, something like that. The one who got pregnant. Yeah. And whole of it is pretty. Yeah. And then this Simple Planners, I really liked for marking my planning days. Like I needed more, but yeah, I needed some doodles. I recently shopped in this new shop which is just recently opened, JK Creation. She has some amazing doodles as well. This is Buffy the Vampire. I'm on season 7 now, finally. I think it came right on time for me. Been watching this season because I'm with a baby, so I cannot watch like non-stop. So I've been watching it from past 3 months I've been watching it. And this is the Buffy the Vampire Slayer, and I love it. I love the show. I somehow like Spike more than Angel. Do leave in the comments whom you like, Spike or Angel for Buffy. But yeah, this is the professor, right? Yeah, so this is Buffy. Big Bang Theory, this is something I've not watched. Now I want to watch it, so I've got, that's why this one. Next time I need to pick up Harry Potter also, and Lord of the Rings and Star Wars. Star Wars I've watched, I loved all of it. Lord of the Rings watched, and Hobbit also watched. I love all of it, but this one I've not watched. Big Bang I definitely have to watch. Harry Potter is something I've not watched. My best friend keeps telling me you should watch it. That's something I need to really watch. I've not watched it yet. I've not read the books. I think when I buy for my daughter the books, that's the time I will read them. But it will take another 10-11 years because she's only 2.5 now. Yeah. So this is the Game of Thrones. Oh my god, I was so crazy about this show. I love it. Daenerys, Jon Snow, the White Walkers. Yeah, perfect character she has chosen for. When we watch it again, I have a sticker for it. And this is the playground. Again, we have a nice playground upstairs, which is unfortunately again stopped because of the corona. I got vaccinated already. I have another dose to go on the 26th of April. But yeah, this is when things get better here. And this is my favorite Get Fit icons from Zenny. I use it quite a lot. Weights, and these are the kettlebells and the mat and everything with the vanilla. This is again the weight one, and this is another healthy eating. Yeah, so this was a little bigger order for my March order, and then my final, another one to go. And this is another one called Cultivate Your Garden. And this is the Love Yourself. I think this was again made in Feb. Yeah, this was when everything was only like £1. Yeah, and then you could do the 10% discount, so it was very cheap. That's why this is also going to be a thick order, but it's not that I didn't spend a lot for this. Again, Marisol's freebie and March freebie, the same pizza. Oh, I love this one, cereal one, pancake. I can have a whole sheet of this. All the sampler, some half boxes. This is freebie. Yeah? I'm showing you these are the freebies. So that's why I'm telling you to check this shop out, because of the freebies, and the sticker qualities are good as well. This is the all order. I think I have another of this, £15, and this all came in £15. Okay, so these are all doodle ones. This is the bed, for good for marking, making the bed or changing the bed sheet, or when you feel like beautiful pinks and purples, neutrals. Her her stickers. I like the aesthetic. It's all pinks, neutrals, so it goes with all those spreads which I like to put now, you know, for my memory planner. Then again I got another healthy eating. I think I really have to start eating healthy with all these stickers. Yeah. And then it's the scallop planner. This is basically for my Arestel, but since I won't be doing my memory planning on Arestel and might start daily planning or like weekly planning from from June, July, once my daily planner gets done from July, then I might start using, but definitely a planner can be used. Now I got this also, sub boxes. This is not for marking when my Planner Perfect box arrives or when my Villa Beautiful kits arrive. This is again spa time, yeah, or you can relaxation time. Candles I love, I have them burning every day when I pray and so on. Yeah, so 2 of those. Cleaning, yeah, I got 2 of those as well. Yeah, spray bottles, doodle, the vacuum cleaner. These are the cleaning icons. Bubble tea, once every month I have it. Now since COVID, now I don't know if I'll be ordering for at least till the time things get better here. It's been before we used to order at least once in a month, but now this is for those days when I'll order again. I love bubble tea. Here they have something called Shion tea, very nice. It's a Taiwanese shop. Vanilla online grocery. This I got quite many because I do only online grocery now. I mostly do online grocery because with my toddler I don't have time to go to the grocery. Only once in a month I go for outside grocery when my husband watches the daughter, and now in the malls the kids are not allowed here to go inside, and the groceries, good groceries are inside the malls. Yeah, so online grocery. This is so pretty doodle. Yeah, and then I got the breakfast sampler again, good one with the croissants and sausages, American breakfast. Yeah, okay, it's already mouth watering, so pretty. This is for blooming tea. I needed something for tea. I don't have, because mostly I'm a coffee drinker. I need a cup of coffee every day, but I have once in a while some green tea or some nice flavored tea. So those tea days to mark the tea. And then alarm clock. Yeah, so these are just, this is completes my order from my Papershire 3. I think another 3 or 2 coming, and that will be in my next video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed my video. I wish each one of you a wonderful day, afternoon or evening. Take care, stay blessed.